So next preparation method is preparation of aldehydes and ketones from nitriles. So nitriles means CN group, cyano group. So for example, let us consider R, it is C, it is triple bond N, C triple bond N. So this reaction undergoes in the presence of stannous chloride SnCl2 and HCl in the presence of ethers. So then the obtained addition product is, it is R single bond, it is CH double bond, it is NH, it is HCl. What is HCl? So then on hydrolysis of this compound, so then it is H and it is OH, hydrolysis of this compound. Then it gives RCHO, so it is RCHO plus NH4Cl. So aldehyde is obtained. So for example, let us consider CH3 single bond C triple bond N. This reaction undergoes in the presence of SnCl2, HCl. It is soluble in ethers. So then it gives CH3 single bond CH double bond NH. It is HCl. The obtained addition product treated with water. Water means hydrolysis. So then it gives CH3CHO. It is the acetaldehyde plus ammonium chloride NH4Cl is obtained. So it is a preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. So then fourth preparation method is ozonolysis process. So it is the ozonolysis process, that is reductive ozonolysis. Of alkenes. Reductive ozonolysis of alkenes. Generally, ozonolysis reaction undergoes in the presence of zinc dust and H2O. That is zinc dust and H2O. For example, R, CH, double bond CH, it is the R. So it is reactive with ozone. Ozone is the O3 in the presence of Zn, and H2O. So RCH combines with one oxygen, another RCH combines with one oxygen. So then it gives 2 moles of RCHO plus remaining oxygen combines with H2. It gives the hydrogen peroxide. So same as let us consider ketones. What is? It is C, it is R, it is R double bond, it is C, it is R dash, and it is R dash. So it is alkene. So it is treated with ozone. So in the presence of Zn, zinc and water. So then it gives, it is R. So double bond converted into single bond, it is R, C, it is R. So then it is C, one oxygen with, it is R and it is R. So then second oxygen combines with R dash and R dash. So then it gives O, it is C double bond, it is R dash and R dash, plus remaining oxygen combines with water, it gives the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. So it is explained with one suitable examples. For example, let us consider CH3 single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH. It is the 2-butene methylpropobute 2-butene alkene. It is treated with ozone in the presence of zinc and water. CH3CH plus 1 oxygen. It gives the 2 moles of acetaldehyde CH3CHO plus hydrogen peroxide. It is the acetaldehyde. For example, let us consider it is CH3. It is CH3 double bond CH3. It is CH3. It is combines with ozone in the presence of zinc and water. So then CH3 combines with an oxygen, 1 mole of acetone is obtained. Another CH3 combines with another oxygen, it gives the second mole of ketone. So then 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus remaining oxygen combines with water, it gives the hydrogen peroxide. So it is acetaldehyde, it is the acetone, it is the ketone. So it is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones by reductive ozonolysis. So the next preparation method is preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkynes. So then fifth method is preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkynes. What is alkynes? So generally alkynes, this reaction undergoes in the presence of sulfuric acid H2SO4 and mercury sulfate Hg2SO4. So then in this process, for example, let us consider what is it is alkynes. It is CH3 single bond, it is C, it is triple bond, it is CH. It is a CH. So for example, let us consider ethine. So what is ethine? Ethine is the C2H2. So for example, let us consider it is H. C2H2, it is ethine. Ethine is the alkyne. So then from alkynes, this reaction undergoes in the presence of what is H2SO4 and Hg2SO4. So then addition of water means HOH. So then this hydrogen addition with this carbon, this OH group addition to this carbon, then the obtained compound is CH2 triple bond converted into double bond CH. So then it is CH, it is OH. So it is the intermediate compound. Then tautomerism of this compound. Tautomerism means one proton transfer from one carbon to another carbon. For example, this hydrogen means proton transfer towards this carbon. So the obtained compound is CH3 single bond CHO. So then acetaldehyde is obtained. So if ethane is taken, the obtained aldehyde is acetaldehyde. For example, let us consider propyne. So it is C, it is 3 C triple bond, it is CH, it is the CH3. It is the propyne. What is propyne? So then propyne plus HOH hydrolysis in the presence of H2SO4 and Hg2SO4. So then this OH group addition to this carbon, this hydrogen addition to this carbon. So then CH3 single bond CH double bond CH3 single bond, it is C, it is OH, it is OH, double bond, it is CH2. What is CH2? So then tautomerism of this compound, so then CH3, so then C double bond O, so then CH3. So then this hydrogen transfer towards this carbon, CH3, CO means C double bond O, CH2 plus H, it is a CH3. The obtained compound is the ketone. The name of the ketone is acetone. It is the common name. Its IUPAC name is the propanone. It is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkynes. So then next sixth one is what is from gem dihalides. Gem dihalides. So gem dihalides means two halogens are present on the same carbon. Is called gem dihalides. Actually, these reactions are undergoes in the presence of alkalis. Alkalis means bases. Best alkali is KOH. So then it is explained with one suitable example: CH3CH Cl2. CH3CH Cl2. So then this reaction undergoes in the presence of alkali, that is 2 moles of KOH and a removal of 2 moles of KCl. 2 moles of KCl. 2 moles of K, 2. So then remaining 2 OHs group. So then it is the CH3 and it is CH. So then it is OH taken twice. CH3, CH, 2 moles of OH is taken twice. Then next one is dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. So then in this OH means, so then it contains 2 OH groups, OH and OH. So removal of H2O means it is the H2O. Remaining compound is CH3CH plus 4. So acetaldehyde is obtained. So it is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So for example, let us consider, so then it is CCH3, then it is C, it is Cl and it is Cl. So then 2 moles of potassium hydroxide and a removal of 2 KCl. So then CH3CCH3, so it contains 2 moles of OH. So the obtained compound is CCH3, it is CH3, same as. So then removal of 2 chlorines, addition of 2 OH groups. So then it is OH and it is OH. So then dehydration means removal of water. So then it is H and it is OH. H2O is removal. Then the remaining compound is CH3CO, CH3. So then it is simply CH3, C double bond O and CH3. So the obtained compound is ketone. The name of the ketone is the acetone. So these are the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from gem dihalides. Gem dihalides means 2 halogens are present on the same carbon is called gem dihalides. So then next preparation method of the aldehydes and ketones.